Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to unbox and do a quick review of Apple AirPod 2nd Gen. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. So you can see, the design is the same as the AirPod 1st Gen. This is the front of the box. This is the back. And this is the top of the box. Let's open this. Okay, as usual, we have manuals and the AirPod itself. And also, we have a charging cable here. Lightning port charging cable. And also, just a note, this was released in 2019. So, this is a little outdated now since Apple released AirPod 3rd Gen last year, 2021. This doesn't have the special sound yet, unlike the AirPod 3rd Gen, and also the stem is still long. And if we compare it to AirPod 1st Gen, they're really exactly the same. Next, for the spec. What's the difference of AirPod 1st Gen and 2nd Gen? For the 2nd Gen, it has a newer chipset, which is the H1. It also has an extra hour of talk time. The Bluetooth version is also updated to 5.0. It also supports voice-activated Siri. It also has a better audio and voice. And lastly, it is 2 times faster switching between devices. The next question is it still worth it to buy AirPods 2nd Gen in 2022? If you don't need the spatial audio and you don't mind the longer stem, you can save up to 3,000 pesos if you buy the 2nd Gen. And take note, spatial audio is not yet implemented and lots of music. There you go, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech and game videos, and see you in the next one.